Hey guys, I will show you how skill the Doujima 6 stove. So here we go guys. Now Doujima plus 6 stove will give you 5 million RC. 5 million RC. And now for the click. And now for the E. E will spin. Now for the R. For the R guys. I will give you percent to enemy will burn and this life will just now for the F. Let's kill for the F. It guys is so long range. That's all. And now for the Proto Ilias Proto Aratato. Add 150% fast type. And now to the EG at the click. Give you 100% to fast type. And now for the E. And now for the R. And the F for the last kill. Then now for the last D black to the black. And now guys, don't forget to subscribe my new vid and comment and like and click the notification bell and subscribe and support me guys. Thanks. Bye.